Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make a ton of money, especially in this bull market, I'm telling you right now, Nvidia is the best stock you should be trading and the best option strategy to use on stocks like Nvidia, that's the leap option. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I'm trading Nvidia using leaps option. I will show you my exact play and how you can modify it to fit your budget and how you can realistically double or even triple your money using this strategy. Alright, so why Nvidia? Right now, the stock is sitting at around 155 per share. We have hit the all-time high. Nvidia is one of the strongest names in AI, and we are still early in this trend. This company is dominating in AI infrastructure, not just GPU, but the whole ecosystem. Hedge fund, institutional, and retail trader, everyone is piling in. And here's the thing, I believe Nvidia will hit 200 or even 250 within a year. That is a huge move. So now let's talk about the strategy that will double your money. A leap option. A leap option is just a long-term call option, usually 1 year or more until expiration. Instead of buying the stock outright, which can be very expensive, you buy the leap option and get leverage. Let me show you a real example that I have. On 28th of April, I buy a call option on Nvidia with a strike price of $83, expiring in June 2026. That gives me nearly 1 full year for the stock to move higher. And the upside here, it's massive. Let me show you the example. On 28th April, Nvidia was trading at 108 and I buy a call option at strike 83, expiring in June 2026, which is more than 1 year. This leap option that I buy was at a delta of 80%, which means I have 80% chance that this leap will become profitable, and the break-even point for this leaps will be priced at 121 in order for me to profit from this trade. Currently, Nvidia price is at 157, so the profit is 100%, and I have doubled my money already on these leaps. By the way, if you are getting value from this so far, do me a quick favor, hit that subscribe button. I break down strategies like the whale, covered call, and real portfolio update every single week. Now let's back into it. So let me break this down for you. Back in April, I opened a leap option position of Nvidia. I only used 3,765 to place this trade. And with that, I can gain control of over 100 shares of Nvidia. Now let's compare of buying 100 shares of Nvidia outright on April 26. Nvidia was trading at around 108 per share. So to buy 100 shares, it will cost me 10,800. Instead, I use a leap option and control those same 100 shares for just a fraction of the cost. And that is the power of option. Fast forward to today, I just closed that same leap option and locked in a profit of 7,935. That is more than 100% returns on the capital I use. I doubled my money in just 2 months. Let's sink in. A small amount of capital controlling a valuable stocks like Nvidia and doubling it in a short time, all thanks to the well-timed leap option strategy. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the chart for Nvidia. This was back in April 2025. At that point, Nvidia has been pulling back after a strong run-up. But right around mid-April, I noticed something. The price action was showing signs of a clear reversal. Buyers were stepping in, volume was picking up, and the momentum was shifting back to the upside. Now I'm not just randomly guessing, this is a setup I watch for all the time. And Nvidia specifically have every reason to bounce. Why? Because we are not just in any market right now. We are in tech growth market. And Nvidia is right at the center of it. AI, data center, automation system, GPUs demand, and it's all pushing the company forward. I can see the momentum building up. I believe in the fundamentals and I saw a clear technical setup. And that is when I decided to enter my leap option play. And here's the key. I wasn't trying to trade short term. I was looking for 6 to 12 months out. I wanted to leverage my conviction with minimal capital, and leap option let me do exactly that. I don't need 10,000 to buy 100 shares. I only needed a fraction of that to control the same exposure, and when the stock moved, my position explode in value. For those ready to jump into trading, I personally use Tiger Broker because it's user friendly and great for option trading. You can find my referral link in the description. If you sign up through it, you will get some cool bonuses and it helps to keep up with my channel too. Now back to the video. So how do you actually buy the LEAPS option? Step 1. Go to your trading platform. I use Tiger Broker here in Singapore, but any platform works. Step 2. Go to Nvidia, choose the option chain, scroll down to June 2026 or 1 year or more. Then look for a strike price that is near delta 80%. So that means that you have 80% chance of the position being profitable. Currently in this market, this will cost around 4,000 per contract because one contract equals to 100 shares. The break even will be around 170 in order for you to profit. So now is the big question. When do you take the profit? Let's say Nvidia shoot up to 170 or even 175 earlier than expected, and you are already looking at a 2x return on your LEAPS option. That will be a fantastic place for you to consider locking in the gains. You don't need to wait until expiration. With LEAP option, time is your friend, especially if the move happened early. But here is my rule. Don't get greedy. If your thesis play out faster than expected, take the win, secure the profit, and recycle that capital into new opportunities. And that is how I grow my portfolio, not by holding it forever, but by being disciplined with exit. So when should you use LEAPS option to profit? The only way to use LEAPS option is when you are bullish of a stock for over the next 6 to 12 months, not just a quick pop. For example, I look to buy LEAPS option when the stock have pulled back to the major support level. I see a strong technical setup like a reversal or consolidation breakdown, and the fundamentals still good and great for long term. In short, I want conviction and timing. And right now in this current market, I personally think that there's some big names out there that are still undervalued and setting up for a good bounce, like Google or even Apple. But just to be clear, this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion, and that is what I'm doing with my own money. As always, do your own due diligence before making any investments or trading decisions, especially when it comes to option. There will be leverage, there will be risk, but you need to understand what you are doing. If you love this content, you can check out my other videos when I go deep dive into strategies like the LEAPS, spreads, portfolio scaling, and how to generate consistent monthly income from the market. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe, and drop a comment if you are trading Nvidia right now. What is your price target? Are you buying stocks or options? And again, if you want to level up your trading in 2025, this is the best way to learn, grow, and scale your net worth. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's make some money together. Until next time, trade smart and stay profitable.